Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. What a great time to be alive. The price of Alice has finally pushed up. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our trade did do very well. This is one of the reasons why I am super excited to tell you about today's trading plan and basically what I'm going to be doing in the next few hours and days. So as you can see, everything has pumped. If we refresh, the price of Bitcoin is around 47,412, 427. Wow, the price of Alice is trading around $13.13, which has significantly pumped since yesterday's stream and the previous day. Because I gave you this as a very good trading signal. So I really hope that you guys during these particular phases were able to buy the bottom, because on my YouTube channel, I was always like giving you the heads up and letting you know what is happening. So absolutely, you have absolutely no reason not to have made money in the past 24 hours. If you didn't make any money in the past 24 hours, then I don't know when you're going to make money, and it was basically a very easy trade. So if we take a look at this, right, I did warn you a whole lot of different times, as you can see right over here and there, and so many warnings. I gave you like the heads up. So I don't really know what's up with my cover. I'm probably going to update that a little bit later. So anyhow, how much money did we make? How many gains did we make as far as Alice is concerned? So this is absolutely a 15% profit day. So if you were trading with 100,000 US dollars, right, you should be up by $15,000. That's what I'm talking about. So if you're trading with $10,000, you should be up by about 1,500 in less than 24 hours. So this is absolutely amazing, and I'm really loving it. So big shout out to everybody watching me right now. Dixon says, Muna, we got action. Yes, we do. Damn, this is all you talk about my neighbor Alice. Well, I'm talking about my neighbor Alice. Well, Jesus Christ, I dropped something. I'm talking about my neighbor Alice because it's a very easy trade. And very easy cryptocurrency to trade, and I really make money trading it. So I can talk about a lot of other things. I can talk about everything else, but I just love sticking to one cryptocurrency and just cover it and just milk it, because it's all about milking everything. So as you can see, everything has gone up. In the previous episodes, we did talk about all the other coins: AVAX, Phantom, Solana, Binance coin, and everything. So everything that I talk about can be reciprocated with other coins. I gave you the Bitcoin blueprint, and everything that we talked about has come to fruition. So let me play you a video that I did on the 13th of September. I was explaining this, so just listen to that so that you guys can see that I did absolutely nail this trade. So let's listen to that like that from that particular angle. So depending on what time frame you're talking about, yes, this could be a bear trap. But if we go to the larger time frames, this is not a bear trap. If you look at the 3-day, let's say for example, this is just like a blatant downtrend. And the other reason why I'm longing a lot of altcoins at this particular level is, if we look at the past few days, we've been going down consistently for the past few days, especially on the 3-day time frame. So surely there is going to be a pullback. We need to test this liquidity right over here before we continue, okay? All right, so I did talk about the liquidity on the top, right? And we are, guess where we are? We are at the top right over here. The liquidity at the top has been retested. So anyhow, we're just going to continue doing these things and doing what we have to do. So if you are just joining me, I go by the name of Muna, aka Beyond 10x, aka your trading guru, aka your trading blueprint analyzer, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and we're going to be talking about a whole lot of different things. So basically here, what we talk about is we talk about the trading blueprint. So using my strategies and my analysis, you can basically get to reciprocate everything that we talk about with other altcoins. I do not want to be talking about 1,000 altcoins, because what really happens is, let's say for example, if I start talking about the newest cryptocurrencies, if those cryptocurrencies perform very bad, and let's say there's a rug pull of or there's something bad that happens, and then the investments pretty much goes to zero, right? You guys are going to be blaming me. You are the very same people who are going to be saying, you know, I'm a bad YouTuber. I was paid by these people. So this is one of the reasons why I stick to certain cryptocurrencies and I just, you know, talk about them consistently, because I know that there are obviously good investments and they're going to be here for a long period of time. And also talking about the risk to reward ratio, they've obviously had their downturn. So this is one of the reasons why I usually stick to a few cryptocurrencies. Of course, I can reciprocate everything that I do on a lot of different cryptocurrencies as well. But, you know, this is just the way that I do things around here. So, yeah. What else did I need to talk about? I don't know. Today I'm just blank because here I'm just here to like talk to you guys about profit taking and you know, just basically a few things, because we talked about everything. Like, what else should I talk about? The move has already happened. We're already at the top here, and I'm sure you guys should be able to like be taking your profits you know, pretty soon, because we only have like a little bit of room to the upside. Okay, so as far as the price pump, no, we are not going to continue going we're not going to continue going towards 60,000 or 100,000. No, just erase that from your conscious. And you know, what we're going to witness in the next coming few hours is probably just a slight push towards the upside in order for us to like punish the people who were shorting around these areas. So we could potentially hit 48 to, I don't know, 50,000, but 50,000 is going to be extreme. But it doesn't, well, you can't, it can happen. Okay, so anything above 48,000, I'm going to be taking my profits and I'm going to be going back into USD Tether. Okay, because we were buying this particular bottom and we did buy it at the right time and we are getting rewarded. So with regards to all your altcoin trades, I'm sure everything has bounced. Because if we take a look at what has been happening, let's take a look at the markets as well. In the past 24 hours, the best performing cryptocurrencies have been Mina Protocol, Tezos, Cosmos, Hedera Graph, Hedera Hash Graph, Osmosis, Synthetics, and all that good stuff. And in the past 24 hours, or rather 1 week, 7 days, Algorand has been the very best. Elrond, Osmosis. So basically all these coins, Elrond and Algorand, I was recommending these coins a long time ago. So if you guys were able to sort of you know, listen to those predictions a while back, I mean, we were talking about Avalanche when it was around $2. It's done at 25x. So just go to my YouTube channel, search, or rather type for AVAX Solana. You see that, you know, we got in pretty early. So as far as Alice is concerned, you know, I'm going to be taking some profits off of the table, but I don't really expect much of a huge pump. Let's say, for example, we pump all the way up to around you know, $14.67, like right here. I'm definitely going to be taking a lot of profits. If we go to $15, that's just going to be an added bonus, because if you take a look at Alice, right, Alice has really dropped you know, a whole lot, and I really believe that it is going to have like a massive pullback as far as testing this liquidity. So getting to see $14 all the way up to around $16, I wouldn't be surprised and I wouldn't be shocked. But just like I always keep on telling you, right, you shouldn't be greedy and you should know your risk to reward ratio. So Tony Black says, are we expecting a dump anytime soon? Well, not really now. I think the dump could happen. Give it a few more days. You know, for now it's like too early unless something crazy happens. Because the thing is, you have to understand that we need to punish and cause pain and havoc to these people who were short selling. So these people need to give up. They need to give in. And it's not going to happen like in 24 hours. It could happen like in the next, I don't know, 72 hours, like probably 3 days from here, or rather from now. So, you know, for now, since we have established some sort of uptrend at this particular moment, let it just, you know, continue pushing. Because if you look at the 12 hours, right, and even though I really hate using what do you call these indicators. Sometimes I just get to like see what's happening with regards to the momentum. So if you look at the momentum of the MACD, right, especially on the 12 hours, it's like literally just getting bullish, you know. So there are, or rather there is a chance of us getting to like increase our momentum towards the upside. If you look at the 1-day MACD, right, we're obviously going to push up and then continue dropping down, because as you can see right over here, right, it usually does this. Okay, it does that and then intensifies the dump. So remember what I told you, right? As far as Bitcoin is concerned, I'm expecting 37 to about 40,000 BTC. So during that particular time frame, right, the MACD is going to do something like this. Okay, it's going to have some sort of you know, push and then gradual dump. This particular dump is the one which is going to like you know, cause major havoc in the cryptocurrency world, and everybody's going to be basically, you know, just panicking and all that stuff. So when that time happens, or rather when that time comes, you guys already know, and I believe you guys are going to be prepared. So anyway, I know for a fact that a lot of you have been asking me about Patreon. A lot of you have been asking about you know, trading groups and all that stuff. So finally I decided to create a membership you know, Patreon group. As you can see, these are the different tiers that I have. Unfortunately, I can't really go lower than this, because what happens is when I go lower than $100, right, I get to have like I tend to attract you know, people who are not really serious about investing. So this is one of the reasons why $200 is like the least amount of money that I can expect, because I know for a fact you guys are going to be needing, you know, attention from me, and you're going to be needing me to like do certain things for you. So if I really make it cheap, I'm going to have like 1,000 of people, and then I'm not going to have like specific attention to the people who will need it the most. So these are the tiers that I have as far as my Patreon account is concerned. So to the people who are saying, hey Muna, you only talk about Alice, well, on my Patreon group I'm going to be talking about a lot of different coins, because as you can see in my watch list, I've got a lot of different coins that I trade and I watch. It's just that I only make videos about Alice and my neighbor Alice. So expect to receive a lot of different buy and sell signals with regards to a lot of different cryptocurrencies. So we're going to be doing a lot of trades in a week, and these are the different tiers that I have and the different perks and the different advantages. So do take some time to read about these, and then see what really appropriately suits you, and then we can see what we can you know, do together, and you guys can have like some first-hand experience. So yeah, best believe I'm going to like really help you make a whole lot of money, because you guys already know exactly what I do and what I'm capable of doing. And only join my Patreon group if only you have benefited from my previous content. If you haven't made money from all the previous content that I've made, all the buy signals, all the sell signals, all the entries and exits that I've been giving you, stay away from my Patreon. I do not want you. I only want the people who use my YouTube and get to make money. Okay, because I'm all about adding value first, then ask later. So this is one of the reasons why I'm going to be working hard on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be giving you the best information, the best entries and exits, and the best blueprints. And then when you get to make money individually on your own, then perhaps that little bit of profit that you got, then you can get to like you know, support me on Patreon. So that's what we're going to do. Regardless whether you join or not, you're still going to make a whole lot of money. So you don't even need me. You don't even need to go to my Patreon account. But this is only for the people who really, you know, want to support me and just want to like you know, buy me some coffee or some stuff. So feel free to check it out. The link is going to be in the description, and it's also going to be on the pinned comment section below. So Patreon/Beyond10x, these are the different tiers that I have and the different perks. So yeah, check it out and make your decision. Okay, so what else do we have? So I don't know, guys, there's nothing much to talk about. You already know the blueprint. So let's wait for some more trading action, and I'm probably going to talk to you a little bit later. By now you should either be taking profits or you should be securely safe in your position. Okay, so if you didn't take any profits, think about taking profits pretty soon. For now, we're bullish and our entries were like way below here. as far as altcoins and Bitcoin is concerned. So let's give some more pain to the bears who are at the bottom here. But best believe, be safe out there. Put a stop loss in case we have like a major reversal or a black swan event. You want to secure your profits. Personally, I did take some profit at $13.40, like right over here. And depending on how the markets are going to be, I'm going to add. I think I should be adding like below $13, but I think this is like a very good re-entry. $13 or even $12.88, but there's going to be like another push towards the upside. So this push towards the upside, as far as Alice is concerned, right, we could either have a double top, or we could have a situation where the bulls continue pushing towards the upside. But I really think we've got more room to grow, to go as far as Alice is concerned. I really believe that we are most definitely going to test the liquidity right around this particular area, you know. So $14 is coming as far as Alice is concerned, and the best place to sort of sell is going to be at $16. Like $16 is a very great area to get out of this particular trade in case we break this resistance right over here. But usually when we break the resistance, we always sort of come back and then push up towards the upside. So what you're supposed to do is just expect this particular level to be broken, and then you have to take your profits like right around these areas. Okay, so if you want to be aggressive with your profit taking, watch how the price is going to react at $13.42, like right around this particular area. Okay, if we're going to form like some sort of lower high, and then we start doing that, just know that it's going to continue dropping towards the downside. But if we just ferociously break above this particular level and start using $13.30 as our support, then we're definitely going to push up. So but to me, that doesn't really matter, because just like I told you, right, my aim on a daily basis is getting to make a 10%. If in a day I'm able to earn 10%, I'm very good, because I know by the end of the month I'm going to be able to like make about 400 to 500% profit. So as far as this particular Alice coin trade is concerned, it is very successful because our entries were around these particular weeks. Okay, and if you look at that price pump, that's a 15%. So to me, I've made more than 10%. So I'm way more satisfied. Even if I had to close, let's say for example you had to close your trade here at $13.13, you still did very well for today. Okay, so to me, I'm very happy with this trade, and I'm looking forward to like seeing you guys on my Patreon group, because I'm going to give you about 5 buying signals and just trading updates as far as other coins are concerned. So talk to you a little bit later. Thanks a lot, you guys have been so awesome. Today I just wanted to give you this update as far as the trade is concerned. There's nothing much to talk about because we've already talked about everything. So yeah, I just wanted to like say hi to you guys. Okay, Tony Black says, okay, nice one, but it still didn't stop the fact that I'm expecting your feedback. Oh, okay, you mean on my email. The thing about you, Tony Black, is we're always having problems communicating via email. So yeah, I'm definitely going to give you my feedback. So yeah, I'm free right now, so in the next 30 minutes we can talk. Check your email in the next 30 minutes, Tony Black, and then we can have that Zoom meeting. So Elon Musk says Phantom is pumping. So yeah, yesterday I did talk about Phantom, and FTM is absolutely pumping, and I'm really loving FTM. FTM is one of those coins that was suggested to me by Muila. So Phantom has done very well. Yeah, it's up by about 18%. I think yesterday I did talk about Phantom. Did I talk about Phantom here? Yeah, I did talk about Phantom. Let me check what's on the... Yep, I did. There you go, Phantom. So if you look at Phantom, if you look at AVAX as well, plus Alice, today should have been like a 45% profit. So if you had 100,000 US dollars and you were trading with it, and you allocated your money in Phantom, Alice, AVAX, and Solana, you should be about 50,000% in profit today in about 24 hours, 24 to about 48 hours. So if you're really taking action with all the information that I'm giving you, I'm sure you should be making a whole lot of money. So this is one of the reasons why, of course, you have to do your due diligence, because I am not a financial advisor. So thanks a lot. That's all I have for you today. So have fun. God bless you. Enjoy your profits. Be part of my Patreon group. And in case you've got any questions, contributions, or queries for me, please let me know in the comment section below. Talk to you, and God bless you. Bye.